What's up, guys? I'm back. Today I am pretty bored right now. It's about 12:40 and it's a beautiful day. And I'm extremely sunburnt from being in the sun I think I was in the sun for like 6 hours yesterday or something. So I got super sunburnt. I'm like finally getting tan and unpasty, but you know, skin cancer is like, it's a possibility, okay? So I should be doing homework. Instead, I'm going to teach myself how to do the water drop thing because it's really interesting and I think it's cool. So I'm gonna try by myself first and we'll see how this goes. And then if it doesn't work, I'm going to search it up on YouTube because YouTube is the answer to everything, and then we'll see where I get from there. By myself first, okay. It's not working. Can you hear? It just sounds like I'm slapping myself. Red. Am I gonna like bruise it by the end of today? We'll see. So as I continue to watch YouTube and procrastinate and not do my chemistry homework, I'm going to drink the rest of my iced coffee and probably make some more because there's no reason, I just like it. And I'm gonna try to perfect the water drop. And we'll see at the end of the day how well I do compared to the beginning of today. And yeah, I'm awful at transitions. Okay, we'll see how. Guys, it's the next day. I'm currently tanning right now because I'm trying to be as unpasty as possible. Little progress report on my water drop attempts, I guess. I tried all of yesterday pretty much as I was in the car, sitting in traffic, listening to music. At the gym, people were looking at me like, what the fuck is she doing? During water polo practice. So let's see if I made any progress. Here goes. Ow. That's literally as good as it's gonna get right now, because my cheek hurts super bad. It's like all red and stuff. Alrighty, so it's a couple weeks later and I've been practicing my water drop sound non-stop. My coworkers are so annoyed with me whenever I'm working in the truck because I just keep flicking my face and nobody knows what's going on. So I'm gonna give a little update. Let's see how well I do. Last time I was flicking my cheek really hard and I like ended up with some red spots on my face because it hurt. So I watched a video and I saw a guy do it like this, and that made me realize that I didn't have to flick my cheek nearly as hard as I was. So I'm gonna try it and we'll see how this goes. Let's see. I look so stupid doing this. Ooh. I got it. I got it. I'd like to get it a little bit louder, but that's as good as it's gonna get for now. I'm pretty proud of myself. I didn't think I could do it, so challenge complete. That's very satisfying. Success. Bye. If you would like to see more challenge videos or stuff that I challenge myself to do, then click subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up for my pain in my cheek because it hurts. And I hope to be seeing more of you guys. Peace!